Today's video is on the top 3 best electric wheelchairs. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best Budget Deluxe Electric Wheelchair. Looking for a lightweight electric wheelchair that's easy to transport and packed with comfort features? Meet the Sentire Portable Wheelchair. Weighing just 67 pounds with 2 batteries, it's perfect for all your adventures. The smart folding design makes it a breeze to transport, and with 4 suspension comfy springs, foldable padded footrests, and armrests, you'll enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in your trunk. Ready to explore new destinations? The Sentire Wheelchair has a 5-inch ground clearance, so that you can tackle all terrains with ease. With 2 powerful 300-watt peak brushless motors and a sharp turning radius, this wheelchair is built to go the distance. Durability is key, and Sentire delivers. This electric wheelchair boasts a strong, lightweight aluminum frame, anti-tip wheels, and 4 comfortable suspension springs, ensuring it holds up under any condition. When you need a reliable all-terrain wheelchair, Sentire has you covered. Quality is a top priority. Each Sentire portable wheelchair undergoes rigorous quality inspections and countless hours of development with leading mobility experts. This foldable wheelchair comes with everything you need for a hassle-free experience. It includes 2 TSA flight-approved batteries, a fast charger, a cup holder, a cane hook, and a side storage bag. Plus, you'll find a backrest pocket and a travel bag for added convenience. Number 2. Best Overall Porto Mobility Electric Wheelchair. Get ready for the next era in mobility with the Ranger Space Pro Carbon Power Wheelchair. This chair is not only lightweight and compact, but also the world's lightest power wheelchair with big motors and wheels. Thanks to its expertly handmade carbon fiber frame, it weighs just 43 pounds, but can support up to 400 pounds. Forget needing a scooter lift. The Space Pro folds and unfolds in one piece with just a pull of the release latch, making it a breeze to handle. Now, let's talk about its long-range capabilities. The Ranger Space Pro comes standard with an easy-release extra battery, giving you an impressive range of up to 20 miles. Plus, it includes 2 airline-compliant, non-spillable lithium-ion batteries, so you can take your Space Pro on airplanes, cruise ships, trains, and even in taxis, Uber, or Lyft. These high-quality batteries last 3 to 5 years before needing a replacement, making travel hassle-free and convenient. Power is another standout feature. The Space Pro is equipped with 2 powerful 250-watt brushless motors, providing immense torque and a smooth ride even on hills and inclines. Its DuraShock energy-absorbing frame and large dual Positraction drive wheels ensure great traction on challenging surfaces like gravel, cobblestones, dirt, and grass. Plus, it has a freewheel option, allowing it to be used as a manual chair. Navigating tight spaces has never been easier thanks to the Space Pro's smart controller. With a small turning radius and the new Sensei Touch joystick, you can drive your wheelchair with just 1 finger, making it perfect for maneuvering in tight indoor environments. When you get your Space Pro, you'll find it fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. Just insert the joystick, and you're good to go. And if you ever need service, they've got you covered. They can send professional technicians to your house upon request, ensuring top-notch service. Their warranty includes 3 years for the frame, 1 year for the motor and controller, and 1 year for the batteries. Join the thousands who are already enjoying their Ranger power chairs and experience the difference for yourself. Number 1. Our pick, Whill Portable Power Chair. Are you looking for a power chair that offers both comfort and style? The Whill Model C2 is designed for active individuals up to 300 pounds. It boasts an adjustable seat height and back support angles to ensure you ride in maximum comfort. Plus, you can choose from 3 seat widths, 16, 18, and 20 inches to fit your needs perfectly. And don't worry about style. There are various color and size options available to suit your taste. The Whill model C2 isn't just about comfort. It's built for adventure too. With 2 powerful motors, this chair can handle tough terrain with ease. It can climb inclines up to 10 degrees and overcome obstacles as high as 2 inches. So if you're the adventurous type, this chair will be your trusty companion on all your journeys. What if you could control your power chair with just your phone? With the Whill app, you can. The app lets you remotely drive the Model C2, keep an eye on the device and battery health, and even lock the chair for added security. It's like having a smart assistant for your mobility needs. Always on the move? The Whill model has got you covered. It easily disassembles in 4 simple steps, so you can transport it in the trunk of your car without any hassle. This makes it perfect for those who love an on-the-go lifestyle. Navigating tight spaces can be a challenge, but not with the Whill model. Thanks to its patented front Omni wheels, you get a tight 29.9-inch turning radius. This means you can easily move around in elevators, small apartments, and office environments without a hitch. So if you're in the market for a power chair that combines comfort, adventure, smart technology, and portability, the Whill model is the perfect choice for you. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, topic3.com. Thanks for watching.